How long did it take you to become profitable? So I started trading when I was 17. I started trading in 2020. I would say about. But the one thing I want you guys to understand, when it comes to price action, when it comes to the market, it's gonna be a journey. We are gonna grow every single day, no matter what. I may be uncomfortable, but guess what? Those positions when I'm uncomfortable, no matter whether it's trading, content, business, whatever it's in, it's gonna make me a better person. The process of building $1,000. Is it possible? Yes. Are you gonna turn 1,000 to 1,000,000? More than likely not. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I'm back today. It is Saturday, and we got another day ahead of us. Now, even though we won't be trading or anything, that sun is mad bird over there, but even though we won't be trading or nothing today, we will be live with the team. We have a VIP session in 30 minutes. I'm about to be home in probably like 6-7 minutes, so we're still going to be on time and everything, but nonetheless we're going to be going over all the price action from last week, all my trades. We're going to go over the expectations for next week, just getting ready, just reflecting last week and getting ready for next week. This is what we do every single weekend with VIP, and it's something that I did before VIP, and that's the reason I do it with VIP, because if it's something that I do, I got to bring the team along with me. And a lot of times doing things like that with a team compared to doing it by yourself, it makes it way more enjoyable. It's like going to the gym with friends versus going to the gym alone. When you go to the gym with friends, you're more willing to go, you look forward to it, you enjoy it more. You know what I mean? It's the same thing with all this. I'd rather back test with the team than do it alone. I'd rather do all these things with the team than do it alone. And that's what we're going to do today. So without all the yapping, let me get on home and let's have a great day. We about to get this VIP call started. You said you got Top Step funded, like what? To pass it, or like you got a combine with it? Oh, all right, bet. So what were you on before Top Step? No, yeah, for the most part, whoever the mentor was, I could see what he's saying in terms of the majority people that are going to the funded, they're gonna fail regardless. So in a sense, most cases, I wouldn't say it's a scam, but most cases you are gonna lose money compared to make money. You know what I mean? So it's true. It's just about making sure that you actually have that edge yourself. You get what I'm saying? But all right, so we're gonna get straight on into it. So the main thing we're gonna be going over is we're gonna go over last week's price action. We're gonna go over the expectations and just overall from there. It's kind of like back testing session. We're just gonna reflect and everything. I'll talk about how my trades went for the most part. It'll just be a good little reflection. But let me grab my mouse. My 1 to 2. If my 1 to 2 was at this low, then I would have had to wait for that low, and I more than likely would have got stopped at break even. But my 1 to 2 was all the way up here, so I would have been able to take profit. Now, if you would have gone for a 1 to 3, you would have got it. If you wouldn't have had a TP set, you probably would have missed that exit. But if you would have had a TP set at 1 to 3, you would have got it. If you would have been looking for a 1 to 4, you wouldn't get it. The thing is, when you look for high risk reward trades, they're possible. Don't get me wrong, they are 100% possible. But how often are you going to be able to get them? How do you know it's going to go all the way that far? Are you really going to be willing to let being up 3% or being up 3 times what you risk just because you want a 4? Or are you going to be willing to take it? Me personally, if I can get a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, maybe here or there, like the only times I really take 1 to 3 trades is when we have a lot of volume. Like if we go from break even to TP2, I might just give it a second. Now, this isn't a time that I trade though. So this is something that I wouldn't have taken. But the one thing I want you guys to understand, when it comes to price action, when it comes to the market, I have all this structured in a way to look like this wouldn't have been a good idea. But in reality, the market is just doing the same things over and over and over. If I get rid of my Asian session range, if I get rid of my 12 a.m. divider, if I get rid of my markups, who's saying this isn't 9:30? Who's saying on another day this same exact thing can't happen, but at 3 a.m., at 9 a.m., at 10 a.m.? It can. That's the thing. You got to understand that price does the same things over and over and over. There's a reason you miss trades. There's a reason you have a certain time frame that you trade, because you're just making it so that the chance of you catching your trade is way more likely than unlikely. Trades happen during Asian session. Trades happen during London. Trades happen during New York. They happen all day, every day. They happen at 3 p.m. They happen right before the market closes. But the thing is, we just have it structured so that we have high probability trades. But just because this didn't happen at our time doesn't mean that it's not valuable. You want to take what happened within price and now understand, okay, if this is clearly a bigger move, because as soon as it wicked it, it started pushing all the way. Like, this is a big move, big volume after running all the lows. You just got to take the same example and remember it and understand why it's important. Because if this were to happen at 9:30, if this were to happen at 3 a.m. when you're supposed to take your trade, that can equally be the same high probability opportunity. It's just now aligning with your time. This, like I'm telling you guys, this same thing can happen at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 3 a.m. You just got to understand that. I'm not going to do too much price action on this day because this shit is honestly garbage. And the days that it's trash like this, it's very hard to make sense of anything because it ran all the highs, it ran all the lows multiple times. So it would have been hard to really make sense of it. But if you see the day after, you can clearly, right now, first thing I see is I see a nice possible move. And this is on a Wednesday. So we're going to mark up the previous high from Tuesday. Boom. Would you look at that up there? It's looking nice, don't it?
Just got done the call and everything with VIP. Good call, nonetheless, great value given. About to get the call uploaded. I had to move on over to the bedroom because I had the charger in here from last night. And when you're giving that much value for like an hour, like an hour straight, your computer tends to die and your computer tends to, you know, start getting cooked up. But right now I'm about to upload into the, losing track, VIP recordings. About to upload this VIP recording. So for all the people that don't know how it works, all the weekend sessions we do, like these are only weekend sessions. I don't record the live trading sessions. They're too big and there's too many of them. But all these are just the weekend educational money mindset trading sessions. We've been doing this for a long time and we're not going to stop. We're only getting started. 2 of these a week. So every month we got about 8 of these educational sessions added. So right now I'm about to upload today's session, give you guys a good behind the scenes, and yeah, 3.7 gigs. And that was just about an hour call. So you can imagine the live trading sessions having 5 of them a week. My computer would be fried. It would be fried, bro. It would be fried. So label this. Let me do this. Just get the date, September 28th, 2024. Weekly trading session. Save that, let that shit upload, and yeah, we on to the rest. Just had somebody join the new program. We had somebody just joined the Content to Cash program. Yeah, I'm also going to be recording some content for that today too. So today's just a work day. Since there's no trading, it's just a content work day. And yeah, we're going to get vlogging it all. I bought that tripod and everything yesterday, so I actually get to use it in the gym in a little bit. But I'm going to take a shower, go walk these dogs. And yeah, then we're going to head to the gym. But I'm excited to use this tripod. Just got everything cleaned up, took a shower, got everything charged up. I did everything when it comes to posting the recordings. Now it's time to go to the gym and get that part of the day started. I didn't get to use my tripod yesterday. I wasn't able to get good footage in the gym, but the camera's charged, everything's charged. Now we're gonna get some value. We're gonna see if anybody's in there, see if I can get used to talking in the gym while recording. It's gonna be a journey, but it is what it is. We are gonna grow every single day, no matter what. I may be uncomfortable, but guess what? Those positions when I'm uncomfortable, no matter whether it's trading, content, business, whatever it's in, it's gonna make me a better person. It's gonna make me closer to the person I'm trying to become. So we gotta do it. So let's get to it. I'm about to hop on Instagram Live. I did a live the other day and we got a lot of people that joined up. And I love giving free value, man. So we about to hop on Instagram Live, go crazy, got a view as the background. We about to give some value, see if people got some questions for me, comments, concerns, see what we could do, But nonetheless, I'm just trying to give some value. Ask me anything. Let everybody know I'm live. I'm trying to answer some questions. How long did it take you to become profitable? So I started trading when I was 17. I started trading in 2020. I would say about 2.5, 3 years. Well, I would say to become profitable, probably profitable my first couple of months, but I wasn't consistently profitable for a couple, 2 to 3 years. Yo, I've been watching you for a while now. Congrats on the crib. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. Yo, what's up, Sean? Was just watching one of your YouTube videos. I appreciate that, bro. How you do during that hurricane? Nah, yeah, I was chilling, to be honest. I have to be louder. Damn, you want me to scream, my boy? I feel like I am yelling. Yeah, y'all should hear me pretty good. Y'all have so many questions. Shit, ask them. What's it like before you started paper trading? What was it like before? I don't even remember. Before I started paper trading, I probably didn't know how to trade. Been tapping and finna hit up VIP shit. We there. Yeah, be louder, scream, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. I gotta scream at this point. I thought I was being loud. You encouraged me to start YouTube. Fuck encouraging. Just start it, bro. Just start. Because encouraging don't mean nothing unless you start it. You a swing trader? Nah, I don't swing trade. I don't swing trade. I day trade. Proud of you, bro. Nah, proud of you, Birdie. Proud of you. I only just got a new apartment. I ain't do nothing too crazy yet. What's a good time that you think I should be waking up? That's up to you. I don't know what your schedule's like. I don't know if you have a job. I don't know none of that stuff. The time you wake up should determine on based off what you have to do every single day. What strategy do you use? Check out the free trading course. I don't got a name for it. I know how to trade. What do you do when the market is down to still learn? I mean, I do stuff like this, give value, but for people that don't have the experience yet, then back tests, YouTube, study your journal trades, all of that. Advice for a 22-year-old that isn't profitable yet, your age doesn't matter. You just gotta get more experience and learn to be disciplined. What's up, James? I'm making 10% on a 50K account. What do you recommend? I mean, if you're making 10% are you asking how to make 10% or you're saying you're making 10%? I mean, if you're making 10%, I don't really know what you want me for. Have you ever had a mentor? Yeah, I have mentors. I have like people that I look up to, people that I go to for certain knowledge. How much profit a month, withdrawals a month do you think is enough to quit working? Your withdrawals don't mean nothing because you can make $10,000 last month and make nothing this month. It comes down to how much money you have saved in your bills. I started at 4 months ago, I'm 18. What do you think when do you think I'm gonna be profitable? That's up to you. If you're counting when you're gonna be profitable, you're not gonna be profitable, put it like that. I thought I was gonna be profitable 6 months in, 3 years later, I still wasn't. Just gotta work, put the work in. The time limit don't matter. You could be in this for 20 years. Don't mean you're gonna be profitable. It comes down to you.
Into social media, YouTube, and different other things. I was just asking, what are some of the tips that you utilize to be able to, I mean, obviously consistency is one of them to grow, but I mean, providing value and finding your way to communicate to people in a sense.
It just comes down to putting yourself out there. You gotta just put yourself out there. It's as simple, if you post stories every day, post a YouTube video, people are gonna see you. And it's one of those things where you could be the best trader, the best entrepreneur, the best salesman, but if nobody knows who you are, nobody fucking cares.
It don't really
nobody knows. If I only had one follower and I showed up with this apartment, that one person would be like, wow, but it's just that one person, it's not really gonna do much unless people see you. And this another thing I recommend always people is do the journey, because people see me before I was here. Which there's gonna be some people are not even gonna realize like, damn, he just got this view. They're just gonna see the view as is. So if you document the journey, the before, the after, the during, people are gonna appreciate it.
Not the process. I see what you're saying.
And the main thing, focus on not even trying to teach people, just focus on showing what you do. Because that's one thing people say lack. They're like, I'm doing this, I'm gonna teach you how to be successful. When in reality, I never try to teach people how to be successful. I'm showing people how to do what I'm doing. If you wanna do what I'm doing, then and that's the best way to go, because for one, people aren't gonna be like, nah, you're lying to me. I'm like, bro, I showed you the result. I could take a trade in front of you and you're like, nah, you lied to me. I'm like, yeah, you're right, you got it. All right, right now I got her from work. We about to head down out of this garage, and then after we get out of this garage, we about to turn here. But we gotta go get some food from Walmart for the dogs, and we gotta get some food to cook for ourselves so we can eat some food so we don't starve out and shit. But besides that, I did that Instagram live, as you guys seen. That ended up being like an 80-minute live. So if you guys want to go on my Instagram, you can check it out. Whole bunch of free game on there. I'm gonna try to do them a little more often. No schedule as of right now for them. We do them when we got the time for it. It's just like that one. But I'll probably use the glasses to get some content inside these Walmart or Target, wherever we end up going.
I was about to say, we're not going to Walmart.
All right, so what Target it is. I'll see you guys in Target. About to get myself some Waffle House. Got my girl not Chick-fil-A, Chipotle. Empty ass Waffle House. How you doing? I have an online order. Right over here. Thank you. That's fine. Thank you. You have a good one. Smooth criminal. We out. Time to get on home. No diggity. Yo, someone said about my parking skills. Eat bricks. Somebody has said something in one of the videos. I'm not sure which video it was on. He was like, no hate, but bro, you're parking. I'm like, bro, I'm a good parker. I don't know what you've seen or where I didn't park good. It was probably one of the days I parked in here in the garage. But yeah, hey man, whoever said that, eat bricks, boy. I'm walking over to my car, but look, I thought I'd show you guys. They got like this old ass Rolls Royce, and this isn't the only one in here either. There's another one on the lower floor. They got a Bentley Continental. This is the one I like though. This Bentley right here is definitely a newer one. Still pretty old, but shit, I'll take it. Better than mine. Right now, on a walk with the dogs. Why y'all pulling each other, man? Y'all just gotta go in the grass, go pee, enjoy it. Because you guys live in a fucking condo, so you know you don't go outside too much. So you know, enjoy it a little bit. Micro dog. But yeah, like I was saying, we on a walk right now. Just getting some sun, getting some exercise. Just ate my food, so I'm walking that off also. Just enjoying my Saturday. First weekend here. There's some food truck. No, that's the coffee one. There's a couple food places over here. It's like 3 places under my crib. There's one at the spot at the other side of this building. It's thorough though. Come on, dogs. This isn't a place to pee. Back in the crib and everything. Got a nice little backdrop, but for the most part, I just want to talk about tomorrow because this is the end of the vlog. If you are looking for more entertainment at this point of the vlog, you're not gonna get it. But I do want to talk about. Dog just went outside on the balcony. But I do want to talk about what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be having an educational session in the morning, but it's gonna be on a very specific topic. The topic's gonna be how to grow $1,000 when it comes to trading. I'm gonna go over exactly what I would do, and I'm gonna talk about a little bit of a challenge, but you gotta be there in VIP. You can stay tuned for tomorrow's video to know about it, but if you want early access, join VIP. But like I said, we're gonna go over how you should be risking, how much you should be risking per trade, how many trades you should be taking. I personally trade futures, so I'm gonna be showing you everything when it comes to the futures, and basically the whole risk management plan, the whole everything behind trying to grow that account from $1,000 to $2,000 to $1,500 to getting a withdrawal, to what you can do and what you should do to consistently grow it from there, what you should do with the money from there, just overall explain to you the process of building $1,000. Is it possible? Yes. Are you gonna turn 1,000 to 1,000,000? More than likely not. But it's about what you can do. If you could turn 1,000 to 10,000, what do you think you can do with 10,000? If you could turn 1,000 to 2,000, what do you think you can do with 2,000? It's just all simple math. It's all simple having systems in place to be able to multiply money and being able to do it over and over and over. As you guys saw the session earlier with VIP, the same things happen over and over and over. The same things that we went over last week are the same stuff that happened this week. The same stuff that happened this week is going to be the same stuff that happens next week. And we're gonna go over it again next week. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. If you wanna learn the trading concepts, the trading systems that I use on a daily basis, the free trading course, the free trading webinars is gonna be completely free in the description. And when you wanna join VIP, so you can have the weekly money, mindset, and trading sessions like the one that we had today and the one we're gonna have in the morning, join VIP. I'll see you guys in the morning. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you soon.